And they say if we'll only avoid any direct confrontation with the enemy,
I
he'll
got these
forget
niggas
his
breezy.
evil ways and learn to love us.
Don't worry
All
about
who
it.
oppose them are indicted as warmongers. They say we offer simple answers to complex problems. Well, perhaps there is a simple answer. Not an easy answer, but simple.
I got that black on black skin tone, actual fact syndrome. That's why I dropped the jewel in
Let
every
that
verse
bitch
you heard me
breathe.
shit on. Okay, it's a slumdog opera, the tale of a king whose name wasn't on the roster. My road to glory was road to perdition. And Act 2, the turn, is just the memoirs with no omissions. We came a mighty long way from standing near the stove in the cold. The greatest story ever told. The realest niggas see the pain in my storyboards. The true believers say, Wallahi, I support the board. My life feel like a highlight reel. This is lightning striking. Feel how the zeitgeist feel. Get a slight chill.
I got these niggas breezy.
My swag is on
Don't worry about it.
1.21 gigawatts, 10 trillion kilowatts. Hardcore thriller pop, Michael Jackson, nigga rock. Google me, baby, understand where I'm coming from. My destiny's to hit a grand slam when my number come. All hail the lyrical, Grand Wizard Imperial. Niggas signed a dotted line with Hove, that's a miracle. And I ain't leave the thugs alone. The humble and meek will surely inherit the mud we own and shoot up every club we
Let
clone.
that bitch breathe.
The flow was too atomic, the poetry's too Quranic. A young prophet Muhammad, and I could drop a verse to change the whole vibration, the whole rock nation, the whole live nation. So pour libation, beware but prepare for the polarization. It's the globalization. Want all the clergymen to notify Satan. I've been waiting, it's the notarization. I've been patient.
I got these niggas breezy. Don't worry about it.
1,000 kisses to the haters cause they made me greater. 1,000 wishes from a million slaves could raise a savior. 1,000 visits to these dickheads at these major labels. From Big Daddy Kane to Big Daddy Kane and Abel. You pay a cost to be a boss, nigga. I paid the wage, master both sides of the
Let that
force.
bitch
And plus I
breathe.
made my saber. Yes sir, I'm a soldier of love. Drowning all my sorrows and woes in the club. My white boys say that shit you spit last year, bro, was like a real fine Merlot in the cashmere throw. Some black chicks say he ugly. White women, they love me. My Asians and my mommies don't put nothing above me. I call it as it happened, the art of quality rapping. One autobiographical chapter could start up the rapture. And even though I walk in the narrow valley of death, all I see is green pastures, bitches screaming from the rafters.
I got these niggas breezy. Don't worry about it. Let that bitch breathe.
সাধু আপন ঘরের মাঝে আরে নেব নাগে আহারে সাধু সাধু হোসকায় হাতের কাটা ওরে দোহলা মাটির বাইগন রে সাধু সাধু বাইগন কালা কালা ওরে দোহলা মাটির বাইগন রে সাধু সাধু বাইগনের ঘরে ঘরে কাটা ওরে বাজারে ফেলে আহারে সাধু সাধু হোসকায় হাতের কাটা ওরে বাজারে ফেলে আহারে সাধু সাধু হোসকায় হাতের কাটা সাধু ওরে নেব নাগে আহারে সাধু সাধু হোসকায় হাতের কাটা ওরে নেব নাগে আহারে সাধু সাধু